It is not a pen, Anna. A toy?
And it is a pillow. And now you have a lamp.
Anna needs a pen, but her bag has a toy, a pillow, and a lamp. What else is inside? 3 steps. Watch the real conversation, learn the useful new words, then a listening test. Fill in the blanks. Let's start.
Pete, hi. Hi, we are here.
Hi, Anna. Hi, Marcia.
Hi.
How are you two?
I am great.
You know, Pete, I am new to D.C. The city is big.
Yeah, but you learn a little more every day. How's the new apartment?
The new apartment is great. Let's get coffee.
Anna, do you have a pen?
Yes, I have a pen in my bag. I have a...
It is not a pen. It is a book. It is a big book.
Yes, it is, Pete. I know I have a pen, though. I have a...
It is not a pen, Anna. A toy?
I have a...
And it is a pillow.
Pete, Marcia, I know I have a pen.
Anna, it is a map.
Why do you have a map of the world?
Pete, Marcia, now I know I have a pen.
And now you have a lamp.
Anna.
I have a pen. Let's get coffee.
Next, let's learn some useful words from the conversation. I'll use simple examples to help you understand. Big. Big means large in size. For example, 6 people can sit at our big table. That big box will not fit in the car.
The city is big.
It is a big book.
Do you have? Do you have something means ask if someone has something. For example, do you have a pencil? Yes, here you are. Do you have an umbrella? No, we are getting wet.
Do you have a pen?
Bag. A bag means a soft container for carrying things. For example, my keys are in my bag. Ben puts his lunch in his bag.
Yes, I have a pen in my bag.
It is not. It is. Use this pattern to correct the name of a thing. For example, it is not a pen. It is a pencil. It is not tea. It is coffee.
It is not a pen. It is a book.
Pillow. A pillow means a soft thing for your head when you rest. For example, I put my head on a pillow when I sleep. Ben hugs a pillow during the scary movie.
And it is a pillow.
Lamp. A lamp means a light that stands on a table or floor. For example, I turn on the lamp to read. There is a lamp beside my bed.
And now you have a lamp.
Last step, a listening test. Some words are missing on the screen. Listen carefully and fill in the blanks. Say the missing words out loud. Ready? Let's go.
Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have a pen in my bag. Yes, I have a pen in my bag.
It is not a pen. It is a book. It is not a pen. It is a book. And it is a pillow. And it is a pillow. And now you have a lamp. And now you have a lamp.
You made it! Great work today. Now, one small assignment. Make a sentence with each of these phrases. Say your sentences out loud, or write them in the comments. See you in the next lesson.